This happened around 5 months ago. It was my first day in a nearby coaching institute. That day everything was normal, so did the second and the third day. I used to sit in the second row of the class. Then I decided to sit on the last bench. As no one was sitting on that row, so I can sit comfortably. But then things turn out to be creepy. I heard some weird noises from the other side of the wall, as if someone was tapping on the wall. I ignored it. I thought another class must be going on in that room. So I didn't pay much attention. I heard the same noise next day and the day after that. I still didn't pay attention. It's been 1 month since I have joined the classes, and basically I hear the noises every day. Now the sound was much louder than before. This started irritating me, so the next day when I arrive I thought I should take a look at the room. But I couldn't find the door. So I went to the back of the building in search of a window or something like that. I found the door to the room, but it was locked. I asked the clerk about the room. He said it's an old storeroom. I asked him who has the keys or who can access the room. He said he didn't know as it wasn't opened a single day since he was working here. He asked me why I'm asking such questions. I said to him that I hear someone tapping on the wall every day. After hearing this, his expression changed, which was a little bit scary. He said even he hear the noises every day, not only in here but also at his home too. Which is making him crazy AF. He can't tolerate the noise, so he always put on the headphones. I was even scared after this. Day by day sound was increasing. Now it was intolerable. I started avoiding to go to the classes. Then I decided to leave that institute forever. It's been only 3 months since I have joined the institute, and now I wanted to leave it, so my parents asked me many questions, but I can't tell the reason as they wouldn't believe me, so I told them a lie. Everything was normal for about 3 to 4 days. Then it started again in my room. I couldn't sleep at night. The noises are too irritating. I don't why, but my parents can't hear the sound, just like the clerk. Even I put on the headphones for like most of the time. I can't sleep at night. It's been 2 months since I left the institute. Last month I got a call from my friend. He said the clerk who used to work there is dead. Cause of death was heart attack and he was just 25. I don't know if it was natural or not, but it doesn't matter cause from that day onward I haven't heard that sound anymore. I don't know if the sound has something to do with his death or it was just a coincidence, but now I can sleep peacefully. I can't forget this experience throughout my life. I just want answer, what can it be? This content was provided by Angelo Tricari.